Good morning, student. In our last topic, we had studied about ancient Olympic game, modern Olympic game, and Paralympic. Today, we will study our next topic, Special Olympic. Special Olympic International was started by Eunice Kennedy Severs. She is the sister of former President of United States of America, John F. Kennedy. The idea was born out of Severs' experience of witnessing the social exclusion of people with intellectual disabilities who were placed in custodial institutions as a routine. Severs believed that with equal opportunity and experience as everyone else, people with intellectual disability could accomplish far more than ever through thought possible. She was convinced that children with intellectual disability could be exceptional athletes and that through sports they can realize their potential for growth. The world witnessed the first international Special Olympic Game in Chicago in July 1968. It is a it is a movement that that used sports to reform the lives of disabled persons. It gave training and coaching to build the interest and sports skill, perfections, social interactions, communication skill, and talent and leadership ability in intellectuals disabled person. Special Olympic. This Special Olympic was started by Eunice Kennedy Severs. She is the sister of former President of United States of America John F. Kennedy. The first Special Olympic game was held in Chicago in July 1968. Eunice Kennedy Severs started the Special Olympic after after witnessing the social exclusion of people with intellectual disability. She believed that if equal opportunity were given to them, given to the people with intellectual disability, then they can also show their talents and can be an exceptional athletes athletes and can and then and can develop their potential for growth through sports. Uh, and Special Olympic, it give training and coaching to the intellectual disabled person so that they can build s- it's also help to build the interest in sports and improve their skill, social interactions, communication skill, and improve their talent and leadership ability. Intellectual disability is related to mind, disable of their mind, undeveloped mind. Next, Olympic symbol, torch, motto, and oath. Modern Olympic, modern Olympic, modern Olympic flag. Olympic flag was designed according to Coubertin suggestion in 1913, but this was firstly flown to Olympic Stadium in 1920 at Antwerp Olympic Game. It consists of five coloring circles interlinked with each others on white background. This flag symbolizes supporting attitude of all peoples of various continents. The color of ring are blue, black, red, yellow, and green. Olympic flag. Olympic flag was designed according to the suggestion of Baron de Coubertin. Baron de Coubertin, fathers of modern Olympic game. This flag, this flag was designed in 1913, and this was host in the Olympic in 1920 at Antwerp Olympic game. The Olympic flag contained five 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 ring interlink with each others on the white background white background color silk cottons, and this five ring and so the supporting and coordinating and friendship attitude between various continent. The color of the ring are blue, black, red, yellow and green. Blue means Europe. Black represent Africa, red represent America, yellow represent Asia and green represent Australia. Olympic olympic touch. First time an Olympic flame was ceremoniously lighted in 1928 at Amsterdam Olympic. The Olympic torch symbolized the continuity between ancient and modern Olympic game. The torch used to kindle the flame at the host stadium is first light by the sun ray of Olympiad Greece, and then carried to the site of game by the relay of runners. This Olympic torch is the symbol of peace. This Olympic flag was first lighted in 1928 at Amsterdam Stadium. This Olympic torch is a symbol of continuity between ancient Olympic ancient Olympic game and modern Olympic game. This torch is first light in the Olympiad, Greece, and then it is carried to the host city by the relay of runner. Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is Citius Altius Fortius, which means to perform for the highest, fastest, highest, and strongest competition. This motto was pronounced by Baron Pierre de Coubertin at Paris Olympic in 1900. This Olympic motto is also given by Baron Pierre de Coubertin at Paris Olympic in 1900. The motto is Citius Altius Fortius. Citius means faster, Altius means highest, and Fortius means strongest. Olympic prize. In the ancient time, the Olympic heroes were awarded with olive crown, but in modern Olympic they are rewarded with medals and certificate. First positions receive gold medals, second positions get silver medals, and third position get bronze medal. Up to first six position they also get certificate. Any rules and regulations regarding the games are set by International Olympic Committee. The head office of IOC is at Lausanne, Switzerland. And the Olympic prize. In the ancient time, the the prize for the winners was given a crown made of olive leaf. But in modern Olympic, the winners are given medals. Gold, first position gold, second position he received silver medal, and third position bronze medals, and up to sixth position they get certificate. This Olympic, the rules and regulation of the Olympic is set up by the International Olympic Committee. The head of IOC is the head office of IOC is at Switzerland. Olympic oath. The Olympic oath is taken by the athlete of the host country. He hold the corners of the flag on behalf of all the competitors. The oath is as in the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in this Olympic game, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to a sport without doping, and without drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sports and the honors of our team. The oath, Olympic oath. This Olympic oath is taken by the athletes of the host country. He take the oath on behalf of the others competitors by by holding by holding the corners of Olympic flag. Olympic Olympic and drugs. Today, sport has become very professional, and there is lot of fame and money involved in sports. Thus, athletes and players sometimes choose illegal methods to achieve this. Many times they take drugs to enhance their performance. All unnatural methods to enhance performance are banned in Olympic. Today, IOC is strictly following its regular check towards drugs and support. It, it has also set up many laboratories to test athletes for drugs. The testing laboratories are named as World Anti-Doping Agency (WADA). Olympic and drugs. Drugs are the drugs are the substance or the methods which are used by the athletes to boost up their performance. Boost up their performance. Nowadays, sports are becoming professionals. In sports, there are lot of fame, name, and money involved. Therefore, the athletes use illegal methods to achieve the success. To achieve the success, and this all uh, unnatural methods unnatural methods of taking the drugs, etc., are banned by the Olympic. The International Olympic Committee set a World Anti-Doping Agency (WADA) for checking the drugs to see that athletes are taking drugs or not. Uh, in nowadays, in Olympics, a regular checkup of athletes is done by the World Anti-Doping Agency. Olympism, Olympic aim and objective, ideals and value. Olympism. Olympism is to promote the development of those fine physical and motor quality which are the base of amateur sport, and to bring together the athletes of the world in these great coordinal festivals of sports. Means Olympic movement is to promote the development of those fine and motor quality, is to develop physical and motor quality through sports, and also to bring the athletes of the world in these great coordinate festivals of the sports, to bring the athletes from different country, uh, to the Olympic game, and to generate the sense of loyalty, brotherhoods, and team spirit among them. Olympic ideals and value. Olympic ideals that Coubertin, uh, Baron de Coubertin, set before the worlds as enshrined in this world. The important thing in the Olympics is not to win, but to take part. The important thing in life is not to triumph, but to struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered, but to fought well. Means the important things in Olympic is not to win, but to take part. जीतना हर बार इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, हर बार पार्टिसिपेट करना is more important. If we don't participate, then we will not get experience. So if we participate, then we will get experience, and then in next time we will give our best performance. So we should take participate. The important thing in life is not to triumph but to struggle. लाइफ में हमेशा विक्ट्री जरूरी नहीं है, स्ट्रगल जरूरी है, जरूरी है, बिकॉज struggles make you strong persons. Therefore in life, um, not only victory is important, but doing struggle is more important. If you do struggles, you will be more strong. Therefore do struggle in life, so that you can handle any problem, any situations of the life easily. The essential thing is not to have conquered but to fought well. Means essential thing ये नहीं है कि आप हर बार जीते, जीते. Important thing है कि आप fight करो. Means it is not necessary to gain victory, but the important thing is you fight well. This is more important, to fight well. This is the Olympic ideals given by uh, Coubertin, fathers of modern Olympic game. The purpose that he had in the mind, were first to uh, to draw attentions of the world to the fact that national program of physical training and competitive sports not only helps in developing good health of young people, but to create better citizens and promote development of their characters and personality. Means this Olympic game not only helps in development of good health, but also it helps to develop their characteristic, develop their personality, and make a good citizen, to create in them a sense of loyalty, companionship, and team spirit, to enable young peoples to be more useful. Means olympic olympic create create a sense of loyalty, companionship, and team spirit in the young peoples, so that they can be more useful in their life, to stimulate the fine art by organizations of exhibitions and similar display, in order to broaden their outlook and make life happier for them. It means to display the same things, to improve their outlook and make their life happier, to inculcate among all the sports person the concept that sports is pastime and not instrument for material, to create a spirit of international amity and goodwills, and to contribute to better understanding among the peoples. This olympic helps to develop friendship and goodwill among the athletes of the world, and helps in better understanding among them among them and among the nation. Based on this based on this um, well defined ideas of two fundamental principles of Olympic are followed. That is, in Olympic family there is no distinctions of caste, creed, color, or race, and all the competitors have to be amateurs. Means in Olympic all peoples are same. There is no discrimination. There is no difference on the base of their caste, creed, colors, or race. In Olympic all are same, and the competitors have to be amateurs. Means they should have full give their best performance. Means ओलंपिक के प्रति पूरा शौक. International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee is the supreme authority of the Olympic movement, formed in June 1894 at the International Athletics Congress held at Paris. It acts as catalyst for collaboration between all the party of the Olympic family, from the National Olympic Committee, international sports federations, the athletes organizing committee for the Olympic Games, sponsors or the partners, the broadcasters partners, and United Nations Agency. Means this International Olympic Committee is formed in June 1894, and International Olympic Committee is the head head of the it is the supreme authority, means head of the Olympic movements. International Olympic Committee make all the rules and regulations for the Olympic game. The headquarters of the IOC is at Lausanne, Switzerland. Role role of Olympic game: to encourage and support the promotion of ethics in sports, as well as education of youth through sports, and to dedicate its effort to ensure that in sport the spirit of fair play prevails and violence is banned. Means IOC, International Olympic Committee, helps helps in the promotions of ethics, helps in the promotion of principles of sports, as well as they educate the youth about the sports, and and also encourage them for a fair play and a ban of violence. To encourage and support the organization's development and coordinations of sports and sports competition. The IOC also support the organization developmental and coordination, help in coordinations of sports and sports competition, to ensure the regular celebrations of Olympic game. It also see that the Olympic game is held एवरी 4 years और नॉट, देखता है कि ये ओलंपिक गेम हर 4 साल बाद हो रहा है या नहीं. टू कोऑपरेट विद द competent public or private organizations and authorities in the endeavor to place the sports at the service of humanity and thereby to promote peace. This IOC helps to bring cooperations between the competent public and private organizations to bring peace among them through the sports, with the help of sports, to take actions in order to strengthen the unity and to protect the independence of the Olympic movement. It helps to protect the independence of Olympic movement means a change, having change, evaluation in the Olympic game, and it's also take action to strengthen in the unity, ताकतवर बनाए रखने में, to act against any form of discrimination affecting the Olympic movement. It also it also uh, it act uh, it act against any form of discrimination affecting the Olympic movement. If there is any discrimination in the Olympic game, then International Olympic Committee act against it, to encourage and support the promotions of women in sports at all levels. This IOC also promote the women to participate in the sports and give and implement the principles of equality for men and women, to lead the fight against doping in sports. IOC, International Olympic Committee, there is a committee, World Anti-Doping Agency, Through this, mm, IOC see that any players is using drugs or not. It's this IOC fights against doping. ये देखता है कि कोई players drugs ले रहा है या नहीं. He do a checking to encourage and support measures protecting the health of the athletes. This also encourages and give supports and protect the health of the athletes to oppose any political and commercial abuse of sports and athletes. अगर कोई भी पॉलिटिकल और कमर्शियल एब्यूज हो रहा है स्पोर्ट्स में देन दिस आईओसी अपोज उसके अगेंस्ट काम करती है to encourage and support the effort of sports organizations and public authority to provide for the social and professional futures of the athletes. IOC also support and encourage the effort of all the sport organizations as well as public authority so for the athletes for the benefit of the society and for the futures of the athletes to encourage and support the development of sports for all. IOC it's also help in the development of sports. It's all give promotion of the sports, promote the sports. We had to study about ancient Olympic game, modern Olympic game. Ancient Olympic game, the father ancient Olympic game. The first ancient Olympic game is held in 77 BC. It is organized organized in the honors of their god Zeus, and it is belong to the Greece. And modern Olympic game, the modern Olympic game the fathers of modern Olympic game is Sir Dorothy Tata. The Olympic modern Olympic games help in the promotion of peace and unity within the international community through the medium of sports. And the first modern Olympic game was held in 1896 at Athens. And International Olympic Committee is the organizing committee of the modern Olympic game. And Paralympic game is the game for the athletes, for the person, disability person. Paralympic for the disabled persons, and the first Paralympic games were held in Rome, Italy in 1960. And deaf Olympic is for deaf athletes. Olympic game Olympic game is governed by International Olympic Committee, and Paralympic game is governed by International Paralympic Committee. And Special Olympic is for the people with intellectual disability. And this was started by Eunice Kennedy Sivers, and the first international Special Olympic game was held in Chicago in July 1968. And this is for the people with intellectual disability. Olympic flag. In Olympic flag there are 5 color ring: blue, black, red, yellow, green, interlocked with each others in the white cotton. Olympic touch. Olympic motto of modern Olympic is Ceteris Altius Fortius, means faster, highest, and strongest. Olympic prize in ancient time, olive leaf, olive crown. A crown is given made of olive leaf. And in modern Olympic game, medals were given gold, silver, and bronze medals. Olympic oath is taken by the athletes of the host country on behalf of all athletes. Olympic and drugs and the use of drug by the athletes is checked by the World Anti-Doping Agency. And Olympic ideals and value. Olympic ideals is not to win but to take part. The important thing in life is not to triumph but to struggle, and the essential thing is not to have conquered but to fight well. And International Olympic Committee is formed in June 1894, and this is the supreme authority of Olympic game. International, he make all the rules and regulation for the Olympic game. The ring, the five ring, the five ring, the five ring on the flag. Flag, flag represent the this ring. Uh, Five ring represent the five continent of the world. World, Europe, Africa, America, Asia, and Australia. This five ring of the Olympic is in the flag of the world. कोई भी एक कलर हर कंट्री के फ्लैग में प्रेजेंट होता है. And we had complete our topic. In our next topic we will study about Indian Olympic Association.